What's up, travelers? I'm Eliz from Means to Travel, which is a community where we focus on meaningful travel and the means to get there, and I want to personally welcome you to my channel. As background, I'm a frequent traveler who writes, photographs, and creates online travel content with travelers in mind. I also have a husband who travels very frequently for work. My best friend is a flight attendant for an international carrier, and many of my other close friends also travel frequently as well. So you could say that I'm kind of surrounded by the travel world, and I'd love to have you guys along well so I can teach you all of those tips and tricks and tidbits that I have learned from my own travels and theirs too. I'm extremely passionate about helping people travel more because I believe that travel broadens people's perspectives in the most meaningful way. I feel that you can gain a stronger sense of your personal place in the world through travel and learning something new. So if you're interested in learning how to travel more often and with more ease, then you have absolutely come to the right place. You're gonna find a lot of different types of videos on this channel. You're gonna find travel vlogs and destination information, product reviews, travel tips, packing tips, and so much more. So if you're taking a trip soon or you're as passionate about travel as me, then definitely press that red subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of my videos that I put out to help you have the best trip possible. Also check out the Means to Travel Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, blog, Pinterest, etc. so you can make sure to be part of the Means to Travel community wherever you love to interact on the internet. Thanks everybody for watching. Cheers. Happy travels. Bye.
Hey travelers, don't forget to subscribe, and let's hang out more. Here are some links to other helpful travel videos on my channel, and press that notification bell so you don't miss any new and awesome travel videos to come.